Answers, uncovering the truth. Boston 25 News investigates.
25 Investigates has explosive new information about that cruiser crash involving State Police Detective Scott Quigley. A new court filing suggests the State Police supervisor knew Detective Quigley had been drinking but kept it a secret. As investigative reporter Ted Daniel explains, the new bombshell comes from the Middlesex DA's office.
Middlesex District Attorney Marion Ryan had previously maintained that nobody in her office knew about Detective Quigley's reported blood alcohol level. In a new filing, Ryan says one of her employees has since revealed they heard that Quigley was legally drunk nearly 2 years ago.
I think their cover-up is unraveling.
Defense attorney William Dolan digging for the truth behind Detective Scott Quigley's 2023 crash that left a Saugus man dead. This filing appears to contain a smoking gun. It says an employee at the Middlesex DA's office has come forward to report a conversation from 2024. In that conversation, State Police Lieutenant Anthony DeLucia mentioned that he had heard that Sergeant Quigley's blood alcohol content was a .11, or nearly 1.5 times the legal limit, and that Quigley was at a restaurant and bar in Woburn with another trooper prior to the crash. During a court hearing Tuesday, Attorney Dolan argued for the release of the Middlesex employee's name.
They say it's not an attorney, they say it's not a sworn officer, but that means that their office was in possession and control of this information.
At the hearing, Dolan also criticized state police for failing to turn over this dash cam video from the crash.
I just want to give them his stuff. They're like, okay, we'll come outside. I'm like, okay, like,
I'm not worried about it.
yeah, unless there's something more I don't know about.
The video appears to show that Sergeant Jennifer Penton, the trooper assigned to investigate the crash, was discouraged from visiting Quigley in the hospital.
Lieutenant Garrett just called me.
What do you want you to do?
He doesn't really, he's going to the CAT scan. I don't think he'll be talking right now. I'm like, okay.
God knows what we're going to find out in a month. And as the more time goes on, the more it comes out that what they've said in the past is just not accurate.
Dolan is seeking to have the state police sanctioned for failing to turn over the dash cam. A decision on that is pending. We did reach out to the state police. A spokesperson says that they are waiting to determine how they'll respond. For 25 Investigates, I'm Ted Daniel.